Panini, it's an art. Hello, how are you guys? Good morning. This is a really nice morning in my home. So, we need energy and we need to eat good. We are what we eat, but we also like to eat delicious things. These things of the sandwich, it's perfect to have an amazing breakfast, delicious, healthy, enough to get the energy to face the day. I will show you today a super typical Mediterranean panino from the area where Italy is, you know, fresh ingredients, vegetables. What we have here, so an aromatic homemade mayo, then we have 2 boiled eggs, amazing cooked Parma ham, but you can use any other type of cooked ham, fresh tomato, some lettuce, and of course, this really nice fresh toast. And with all these ingredients, we can make 2 sandwiches. I will show you how. First thing, we switch on the fire under our pan to toast our bread. Let's say medium fire, it's okay. And today I'm all Italian, so instead of the butter, I'm gonna put some extra virgin olive oil. Take the bread, and we let toast our first 2 bread. Then we start to prepare our amazing cream with 2 eggs, homemade mayo, aromatic with garlic and parsley. First thing first, we prepare our 2 eggs. So we break the shelf, make sure you clean any single piece of the shelf. Now with the fork, we squeeze our egg in the way we're gonna make a really nice cream. Easy peasy, egg squeezy. Now in the meantime, our first 2 slices of bread are perfectly toasted. We toasted the other 2. Alright, now let's prepare our aromatic garlic and parsley homemade mayo. So we take 2 spoons of homemade mayo, and inside that we first squeeze our garlic, then we chop some parsley. Alright guys, so we put all our parsley inside our homemade mayo, and we how nice it is, guys. Our bread in the meantime is perfectly done. Here we are. We take all our homemade mayo and we put with the egg. It's time to mix all together in the way we make a really nice cream of a boiled egg and a homemade garlic and parsley mayo. Check my video of homemade mayo, makes a big difference, guys. Time to cut our tomato. We make some really nice slice. Here we are, almost done, guys. All our ingredients are ready. Now it's time to prepare our first toast. 1 slice of toast, lettuce, 2 tomato, 3 slices cooked Parma ham. We take our second slice of bread and we put our really nice cream. A pinch of black pepper, and here we are. Wow. Our authentic Mediterranean sandwich is ready. Wow. I'm sorry, I love it. This is one of many super easy ways to start your day with a delicious breakfast, homemade, 3-4 minutes for you, for your family, for your children, for your beloved. This is the way to eat. Follow my recipe, many other sandwiches will come, because panini, it's an art. And we will go together to this amazing art of street food. Thank you very much for following me, always with me, my kitchen, your chef. Se vedremo. Bye bye!